Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see the setup. We're in my washroom, so you know that it's another skincare episode. Today you're gonna get unready with me with only a very simple 3-step Korean skincare routine. Are you guys surprised? Because you guys know I'm obsessed with skincare and usually I like to layer my skincare. So why only 3 steps? These products are made for multiple functions. For example, the toner, it acts as a toner, an essence and a lotion. And the moisturizer acts as a serum and a moisturizer as well. So they're really interesting. I'm trying them out and honestly they're pretty impressive. So I would like to share it with you guys. The name of the brand is called Nsuus. So they're not available in Malaysia yet, although you can actually buy them online. All the line of products from Nsuus, the star ingredient is camellia flower. If you don't know, it's used in a lot of skincare products, especially high-end skincare products. Because of the soothing and hydrating, moisturizing properties, it really helps to make the skin supple, and also it's a great antioxidant. There is no added water as well. If there is water, it's all water made from the camellia flower. Secondly, they use like a double fermentation technology. If you guys know me, you know that I love fermented essences like the SK2 treatment essence or the fresh black tea kombucha. So in their formulas, they use a double fermentation technology. This double technology really helps to make the skincare penetrate deeper into the skin, basically just helping the skin to appear healthier and radiant even faster. This skincare brand is definitely really good for you guys who want something that is fuss-free, really fast but yet effective. So without further ado, let me introduce these 3 products to you guys. I will do my skincare routine as well. Firstly, we're gonna start with cleanser, the Camellia Revitalizing Moisture Cleanser. Like I say, I'm very impressed with the ingredient list. It doesn't use any added water. It's made of 69% of micro-fermented camellia extract. She marketed this as a all-in-one cleanser. I've actually tried just using this cleanser and I'm really impressed that it could really remove all my makeup and my skin still feels nourished and actually hydrated and nice. It comes out in a very liquidy form. You could definitely see that like my makeup sort of like melts away. I'm gonna wash it off. It really feels like a hybrid between a cleansing oil and a gel cleanser in a way. There are natural essential oils that help to remove the makeup. Also, it's not as oily as a cleansing oil. It's just a formulation. It made it into this liquid cleanser. At the same time, my skin feels clean and nice. I do see why they say that you could do away with double cleansing with this, but me being me, I would still double cleanse, especially on days where I have heavy makeup. Now my second step is the Camellia Revitalizing Moisture Splash. Again, it uses 59% of micro-fermented camellia extract because it's fermented. So I understand why it is not just a toner, but it's also an essence in one. It also has lemongrass oil, orange oil, lavender oil and basil oil. Definitely made of really pure, good ingredients that help to keep the skin healthy and hydrated. So I'm just here patting it in my skin. I always try to pat everything inside. I say this like all the time. As you can see, it really absorbs so quickly into the skin, but at the same time, it leaves a really nice glow to the skin. This is a really good product where you can layer as well on days where you feel like you need the extra hydration. It is a good product because of the different blends of oils and the fermented camellia. I could really feel that it really hydrates the skin and it absorbs into the skin. And finally, we have the Camellia Revitalizing Moisture Cream. To me, it's really interesting. It's actually in a gel form. It reminds me a lot of aloe vera gel, you know, that kind of formula and texture. But on the inside, as you can see, it has these little white capsules as well. They call it the Divine N18 Complex that's made of natural ingredients. Green tea, raspberry and other ingredients that I do not know how to read. These little capsules actually help to reduce fine lines and whiten the skin as well. This moisturizer is made up of 65% of these micro-fermented camellia extract. Although it looks like a gel cream, it's actually made of 0% water. It's actually very potent with a lot of good ingredients inside. Although it's very lightweight. You know, sometimes a lot of lightweight moisturizers, especially if you have dry skin, you understand that sometimes you feel like it's not hydrating and it's not moisturizing enough. This one, honestly, I do not need to put a lot. My skin quickly feels very hydrated and moisturized. Those little white capsules, as you just massage it on the skin, it will just melt. It really leaves the skin looking very dewy and glowy and nice. This moisture cream is mixed with a blend of different essential oils. Makes the skin really nourished and glowy from the oil, I think. Look at that. And yeah, that's it for the skincare routine. Isn't that like super quick and easy? Of course, personally, I would say that I have to add an eye cream to end my skincare routine. Eyes are very important. But other than that, I'm actually very happy with the product. This is really quick and easy, and for you guys trying to find something that is effective yet quick, this is a skincare range that definitely you could check out. I'll put a link on the description box below. You could buy them online, or you could wait for them to come out in Sasa, Malaysia. Always love to try new products and always here to recommend you guys the good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. There will be more skincare and makeup videos on your way. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Good night.